Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here Cuisinart food processor. It's an older one. Weighs 11 pounds, 14.5 ounces as it sits. And we're going to tear it apart and see what's all in it. And yeah, we'll see if there's any good copper in it or what. So let's get started. Piece of brass. Junk. Put it over there. Put the copper in there. And let's figure it out. A little closer. Another capacitor, make sure that they're discharged. This has been not plugged in for a good while, so shouldn't have been nothing on them. Is that good? What we all been waiting on. See if this is copper. About ready to find out. I hope it is. Looks like a good bit in there. Go ahead and see if that's copper. And it is copper. As you can see right there, that's copper. So, looks like a good little piece on there. It's been there. Got a snap ring here you gotta take out. Oh, it all come apart. There we are. I don't think I'm going to take the machete to this. It's got, I'm not sure about those. I don't want to tear up my machete, so I'm going to cut these off, and then I'll get everything out, and then we'll be back to weigh up everything. I'll get the brass and stuff cleaned up, and then when I come back, we'll weigh everything up and see what it was worth. Okay, we're back, and the steel, as you can see, is 13 pounds, 0.23 ounces. A little bit of copper, or brass I mean. A little bit of brass is 1.2 ounces. The insulated copper wire is 2.7 ounces. And yes, I did skin the cord because it would have gotten very little, but now it'll be worth a little bit more. And I got a strip miser, so it doesn't take long to take it off, so I went ahead and skun it. And all of this copper, as you see, I do have the container zeroed, which was a good bit. Was 1 pound, 6.8 ounces. So that was a good bit of copper out of that. Old food processing. So if you would ever come across one of these, a Cuisinart, old Cuisinart food processor in the junk, it's definitely worth taking apart. It didn't take long, and it was fun taking it apart, and you got a pound of copper out of it. I mean, 1.33 pounds of copper, so that did pretty good. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Definitely, if you're subscribed to me, please share. as I said before, I'll keep bringing them as long as you like watching them, and I always try to bring in something different. I have seen one of these done, but I figured I'd try one and see what it was like myself. And well, as you can see, a good bit of copper. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.